My name is Holland. I'm a senior at Sequoyah High School. Came here because of the trades you could learn, and welding was the one that really stood out for me. That's something I want to enjoy wherever I work, and if you don't enjoy it, then that is work to you. So I want my job to be more of something that I enjoy going in to do, so I'm not dreading it every day. So I even practice my welding outside of school and work. I continue it because I want to make it better as I go. So that would be my main interest, is my welding career. Being a girl here was something new. I have an instructor. My instructor is now a female. Her name is Miss Clark. She helped me understand that just because I am a female doesn't mean I can't do it, and really helped me out with understanding that I am good enough.
I think Marie is a great example that women shouldn't feel intimidated to get into a trade. I think that women are capable, just as capable, and going out here and doing things. And Marie is a leader. She is outgoing. She takes everything she does and gives it 110%. And that's what it takes to be a welder.
My plans right now are I work currently at Heat Tech for my internship. They have a promised job for me starting the following Monday after I graduate.
There's such a high demand for skilled craftsmen. So if these kids put in the work here, they can absolutely walk out of here with a career.
All of us started out from nothing, coming from middle school. I didn't know anything about welding, and with Sequoyah, they push for academics and they push for you to be your greatest for the workplace. Just know that you will advance. It doesn't take long. Just try your best. Just listen.